Now the final full trading week of November 2024 drawing to a close right behind me here on Wall Street. And what a week it has been. Lots of geopolitics and earnings reports that sent the markets into several sessions of seesaw action. However, as the week comes to a close, it looks like the bulls are going to win the week as all three major averages on track to end the week higher by more than 1%. That marks a significant turn from last week when Wall Street's post-election rally hit a bit of a stall. Meanwhile, a holiday shortened trading week awaits here in the United States. Thanksgiving is on Thursday. It's Turkey Day, so expect a lot of volatile trading, limited trade as well, and a cluster of data condensed into less days. So without further ado, let's now take a look at what will likely move the markets in the abbreviated week ahead here in the United States. But first, we kick off in Germany with the German IFO Business Climate Report due out for the month of November on Monday. Expectations kick off with a read of 86, while on Tuesday it's all about the U.S. data with November consumer confidence and new home sales figures for the month of October due out. New home sales currently sitting 4.1% month over month. That will then be followed by the FOMC minutes. And then Wednesday is a busy session. First in New Zealand, the RBNZ rate decision due with expectations calling for a drop to 4.25% from 4.75%. While here in the U.S., inflation, the core personal consumption expenditures index, those figures are due out. Core PCE expected 0.3% month over month. And then there's October durable goods orders due out, that of which is expected to come in 0.1%, followed by third quarter preliminary GDP expected 2.8%. And that's not all. There's also personal income, personal spending. Personal income expected at 0.3%, spending 0.4%. Meanwhile, Thursday kicks off with data out of Europe with the EU consumer confidence for the month of November due out, a read that's expected at negative 13.7, while right here in the U.S., the reason for all the data releases on Wednesday is because the markets are closed as it's the Thanksgiving holiday. And Friday sees us back in the EU with preliminary harmonized November consumer prices due out of Europe. Expectations 2.4%. And here in the U.S., keep in mind, it's an abbreviated trading day, the closing bell at 1 p.m. Eastern. Also, keep an eye on geopolitics, whether it's updates on the Trump transition team or the conflict between Russia and Ukraine, both of which have been major market movers as of late. And before signing off, for those celebrating, have yourselves a healthy and fun Thanksgiving holiday with your families and loved ones. Hopefully travel and the conversation goes smooth between each other. And until next week, live from the New York Stock Exchange, I'm James Sweeney reporting for ICF.